Color Sun's company Omitted moved to a new factory. We have equipped a brand new cleanroom. Fully automated production lines primarily ensure product manufacturing quality. Second, it increases product output and ensures delivery times. The high quality of products are not only discovered through inspection, but also by production. All raw materials pass through the cargo rinse area before entering the workshop for manufacturing. High-quality products require a professional team to serve every outstanding customer. After all goods are produced, they are packed with waterproof film in a dust-free workshop and neatly stored in the shipping area.